What are you reading? That's right, this is your plasma cutter. It's here to unpack and inspect the goods for you. This bubble is not bad. 1 to 3. Now let's take a look. How is the cutting ability of your machine? Tribet brand LGK80N Plasma Cutting Machine will not install. I won't take this video to teach you. Remember to collect. Now let's pick up the cutting gun. The gas and electricity output of the cutting gun is connected to this location. Just be sure to tighten it. Then switch to core control cable. This is an arc. Ground wire. Okay, this is the connection of the cutting gun. Our cutting machine supports two functions of cutting and hand welding. External air compressor, built-in air pump. One-click selection is okay. Now let's pick it up. Hand-welded handle pliers. Connect to the manual welding output position. This is a quick connector. Just get close to the buffalo well. Hand-welded ground wire pliers. We are copper wires. We're going to get here. Hand-welding output position. Just connect it in and tighten it. Okay, now this is the connection method of manual welding. Now we demonstrate the connection of the external pressure. First, we need to prepare a pressure-reducing valve. One end of the pressure-reducing valve. Access solenoid valve intake. Okay, let's fix the pressure relief valve. Just connect the other end of the pressure-reducing valve to the air compressor. We need to prepare a trachea lobe. One end of the trachea. Let's connect the solenoid valve to inflate. The other end is connected to the total intake. Okay, this is the connection method of the external air compressor. When we use the built-in air pump, we only need to prepare one straw. What about one end of the straw? Connect to the built-in air outlet. At the other end of the trachea we plug into the main intake. This is the connection method of the built-in air pump. This machine is fully voltage accessible. Single phase to 120 to phase 383 phase 380. So let me show you. First we take the single phase to 120. Single box to 120, a live wire. The B0 line is single phase to 120. A live wire B live wire is 2 phase 380. All three ABC lines are connected to the live wire, which is 3 boxes of 380. This machine, you need to receive a copper wire of more than 6 square meters of the national standard. We do not need to install a pressure-reducing valve when using the built-in air pump to work. This machine, it has 2 fans. A fan is the heat dissipation of the machine. Another is air pump heat dissipation. The heat dissipation effect is very good.